The roller is attached to your belt sander's front roller bracket. The roller supports the sanding belt, preventing belt flutter, and helping to keep the belt tracking straight. After years of use, the roller can wear and will need to be replaced. Replacing the roller is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt from the belt sander. Now I can remove the belt cover. Now I can remove the belt. I'll rotate the belt, and as I do, I'll lift it away from the motor pulley. Next, I'll remove the belt guard. Now I'll remove the front roller and bracket assembly. The roller is secured to the bracket with a screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new roller. I'll place the roller over the screw and place the dust shield on the end. Then I'll thread it back into the bracket and secure it. Now reassemble the roller and bracket assembly back into the belt sander. Now reinstall the dust deflector and the belt guard. I'll place the belt around the lower pulley first, and then again I'll rotate the belt around as I work it on to the motor pulley. Next, I'll reinstall the belt cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the sanding belt. And that's all it takes to replace the roller in your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.